Hey there, traders! Ready to make your scalping strategy to the next level and start making consistent profits from market volatility? But let's not be too hasty. I highly recommend to watch this video until the end, because if you don't, there's no point to watch it. If you want to skip, just skip right now, because just before the end of the video I have some surprises plus some more information, and I will be sharing with you just a part of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy and sharing the results with you. But if you don't like backtesting on strategies, because I've seen that before in the comments that people don't like backtesting, which I'm against that, but it's not time to discuss that at the moment. I also have another thing to share with you before starting and diving into the strategy. So sit tight. Demo trading is now available on Bybit. So just give it a try. Previously, I made a short video, which I'm going to leave the link both above here and down in the description. And I talked about that. It's really easy. You can start demo trading, and due to the fact most of my trading strategies, they work on low time frames. So you can test your strategies in low time frames, in high pace, and just give your strategies a try on live market, but with fake money. Using my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance up to winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT. And here's a proof to that. Previously, one of my subscribers did it and won 10,000 USDT. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. First things first, pick a currency pair and a time frame that's got the right mixture of volatility and liquidity. For instance, you might consider focusing on Euro USD or Bitcoin to USDT on 15 minutes time frame, or any other pair which you are familiar with and you like it. But especially because if this is good for scalping, you might be considering time frames in between 3 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes. Remember, more market movement equals more scalping opportunities. Now head over to your trading platform indicator section and add the range filter version 2 indicator to your chart. It's a crucial tool in this strategy. Alright, let's fine-tune this indicator for optimal results. Go to the Inputs tab and set the sampling period to 27. Adjust the range multiplier to 3, and these tweaks will help you filter out those noise and get clearer signals. With these settings in place, you'll be all set to make your long and short trades based on those improved indicator signals. But wait, we're not stopping there. To further enhance our win rates and weed out lower probability trades, we're bringing in 2 additional indicators for confirmation. Meet the Firefly Oscillator indicator. Before using the oscillator, we need to get in sync with our first indicator. Tweak the signal smoothing to 4 in the Firefly Oscillator settings. Now toggle the double or smooth and use zero lag EMA options, which I previously made 2 completely dedicated videos and sessions based on an indicator named Zero Lag EMA, which you can check them out. I'm gonna leave the link by the end of the video. Set 21 for the enclosing Bollinger Band length and 3 for the enclosing Bollinger Band multiplier. Under the Style tab, keep it clean by turning off everything except the middle line and histogram, just like you see in the video. These adjustments will seriously boost your trade signals by cutting through the noise. This way, you will have a better shot at identifying quality buy setups when the histogram is green and above 0. And for sell setups, watch for it to be red and below 0. The histogram is excellent at filtering out those potentially fewer promising signals. For example, check out the long signal when the market dipped. The Firefly Oscillator effectively ruled out the lower quality setup. The same goes for the subsequent short signal that was accurately filtered because the market didn't move much in that direction. But here's the icing on the cake. Introducing a third indicator. I previously talked a lot about it and used it a lot on TradingView platform, and the name is 10-in-1 moving averages. And the reason behind it is that most people, including me, were using the free version of TradingView platform. And as you know, by far, when you're using the free plan, you only are allowed to use 3 indicators simultaneously on your chart. So, but in this case, we can add up to 10 moving averages, which of course we don't need that, but it allows you to add those more indicators which you are not supposed to. Once you add it, customize MA1, MA2, and MA3 as follows. MA1 is a 10-period EMA, MA2 is a 20-period EMA, and MA3 is a 200-period SMA. Style these lines according to your preference in the style section. Now let's decode the trend. Take note of where the 10 and 20 EMAs are in relation to 200 SMA. If they're above, it's a bullish sign. If below, it's bearish. And if the 10 and 20 EMAs are just hanging out flat, it's a no trade zone. So here's the playbook for success on the long side, with the range filter version 2 indicator giving you a buy signal. Then ensure that the 10 and 20 EMAs are dancing above the 200 SMA, signaling an uptrend. Check the Firefly oscillator histogram. It should be cheerful green and above 0. This is your second green light. Once these 3 conditions align, you're good to go. Set your stop loss at a bit below the last swing low to manage risk. When you feel comfortable, secure some profit. Aim for at least your initial risk amount at risk to reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. It's all about locking in those gains. Shifting gears to the short side, let's line up for success there too. It begins with the range filter version 2 indicator flashing a sell signal. Then watch for the 10 EMA and 20 EMA to be below the 200 SMA, signaling a downtrend. Take a glance at the Firefly oscillator histogram. It should be bold red and below 0. This is your second red light. When all these stars align, it's time to make your move. Place your stop loss just above the last swing high to manage potential losses, and don't forget to lock in your profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 to keep your earnings secure. Now it's time for me to just show you a part of my 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy, and then shortly after sharing the results with you. So here are the results. As always, you can see it's perfect. Give it a try and you're gonna be surprised. But it's not going to be profitable without the proper risk management, which I talked in the beginning of the video. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video clearly about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do. This is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. By the way, I often get asked for the best strategy recommendations. Well, you can check my previous playlists and just give them a try and find the best that you like, because if you ask me, I think all of them are the best out there. If you found this video helpful and informative, all I'm asking in return is just 2 seconds of your precious time to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and share the video with your friends and community who are keen to know about all this creepy unknown world of trading, especially about technical analysis. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.